新年 新年 is mean new year. The kanji of 新 is have the meaning of new, and it from the verb like atarashi, right? Atarashi, we use the kanji of 新, so it have the meaning that new. So we put with the kanji of 年, so that it have the meaning that new year, 新年 new year. 年末 is mean year end or end of the year. The kanji of matsu is mean the end of something. For example, shumatsu, nenmatsu, right? So something that end, they use the kanji of matsu. Is have the meaning of something that end. So when we say about nenmatsu, it means end of the year or year end. Or shumatsu is mean end of the week. So you should know each meaning of each kanji. Kotoshi is mean this year. Koto is mean the kanji koto is mean now, right? From the verb that ima, right? Ima is mean now, so we put the kanji of ima with the year, so we say kotoshi is mean this year. Ototoshi is mean year before last. Do you understand? Year before last. What's the meaning? Ototoshi is mean last year, the year before last year. If we say last year, we say about kyonen, right? Kyonen is mean last year, but the year before last year is mean year before last, and they say ototoshi is mean the year before last year. Toshiue is mean older or senior. Toshiue no hito is mean the people that is had an old age more than you or anybody that they're talking about. Toshi is mean the year, and ue is mean top, right? Top or up. So it means the people who have the age that older than you or the person that speaking the word toshie. Toshishita is mean younger or junior. Toshi is mean year, and shita is mean both is mean the down, right? So toshishita is mean down. If you are talking, that's mean compared to you or compared to somebody, that toshishita is mean the year down. That if you are talking, that you mean the people younger than you. So we say toshishita no hito is mean the person who has the younger than you. Hantoshi, half year. Han is mean have the meaning that half of something. So we put hantoshi is mean half of the year. So this hantoshi is mean half year or 6 months. Maitoshi is mean every year or yearly. Toshiage is mean beginning of the year or early in the new year. Otoshi is mean New Year's event. Otoshi is mean the for the new year that there are many events that happens, so they call